Hello, welcome to FFTL Inspired. Here it's all about food, fashion and craft, travel and lifestyle. If this is your first time here or you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a healthy swallow recipe. I call it carrot oatmeal. It's really easy to make and I'm going to show you in this video. So I'll be using 4 carrots and I'll go ahead to scrape off the dirt using my knife. Carrots are rich in vitamins A and beta-carotene, which are good for healthy and glowing skin. They are also good for your eye health. They are rich in fiber, which helps to control your blood sugar levels, as well as vitamins K and calcium for your bone health. So I use quick oats for this recipe. You can try the old-fashioned oats or rolled oats. I'm not sure cooker oats would really work for this. So I'll be using 2.5 cups of quick oats and I'll blend as smooth as it can get with my blender. This is my oat flour and it's not finely ground like your yam flour or baking flour, but it's good enough. So next I'll be blending my carrots. I'm just going to break them into pieces to make for easy blend and add a cup of water. You can add more water as you want, but don't let the water be too much because my flour quantity isn't so much. So I have my carrot puree and I have water boiling already. So I have little quantity of water, and as you can see it's really so small. I'm going to add the carrot puree and cover to boil again. At this point, I took out some quantity of the water for later use, and I'll go ahead to pour in the oat flour bit by bit. At this point also, I had reduced the heat to medium. There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. So because it's still very soft, I add the rest of the flour. So I'm putting back the water I reserved earlier and I'll leave it to cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. I'll give this a good mix, and with that my oatmeal is ready. It's really light and super delicious. So you can have this with okra, vegetable, ogbono, or any other soup of your choice. Try it and please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.